Hello, YouTube. I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney, and we're answering publicly posted questions from YouTube users. This question was posted 1 day ago, which I feel good about, by YouTube user Maidanis Ruiz, and it was posted on our video dated March 19th of 2019. We have been at this for a while. This is, of course, the second iteration of our channel because I sold all of my original videos to another firm many years ago when I had stage 4 cancer. um, but they were kind enough to let me keep using those videos. It's just that I don't have that original channel. Um, but I think the videos actually go back to like 2013. Although I will say I was very ugly and those videos were very bad. And my office was very bad at that time. Um, all right. So, and that video of March 19th, 2019 was entitled The State of Bereavement Leave Paid and Unpaid Under the New York State and Federal Laws. So, Medanis Ruiz asked, and I'll read the question into the record. I have a question, but I am in Miami, Florida, and I don't know if I need an attorney. Okay, well, I can only answer your questions in Miami, Florida, as per the federal laws that would pend in the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. So other than that, I'm going to have to tell you to speak to a local attorney, but I will do my best to tell you what to speak to them about. I'm a teller in a bank for about 6 months, so this is my situation. One day, my mom called me and asked me if I can apply for a credit card for her. I said, no, Mom, but I will let one of my coworkers, and let's see. I asked my coworker, hey, can you apply for my mom's credit card? I advised that I have a power of attorney of my mother that I can sign for her. She said, okay, let's do that. That was our mistake. We are not supposed to do that. We didn't follow the process. After that, my boss found out and reported us to HR. After 3 weeks, HR called us and started asking us questions about the situation, and I told them the story about that day. The HR lady asked me if I can send her the power of attorney. I said, of course, and after that, they sent me home on administrative leave, pending the investigation. Today, the HR lady called me and said that they are still working on my case, and that she said that the power of attorney doesn't say that I can apply for my mom's credit card. Okay. And then goes on to ask any advice. If this was in New York, I'm going to be honest with you, there's a very good chance that you're getting terminated. You might want to ask around and see if you know a good criminal attorney. And I know you weren't doing anything wrong. I'm sure that your mother told you to do this and everything else. But there could be some questions, and the bank might feel compelled to report this to the authorities. And I know what you're doing is innocent. I know what you're doing is innocent. I understand that from your question. I'm just saying this looks from the outside like you were trying to use the power of attorney to scam your mother, which I know you were not doing. But the bank may feel compelled to report that to the authorities, and they may feel compelled to terminate you. If you could supply a statement from your mother saying that she asked you to do this for her, or an amended power of attorney, or and these are all things you just need to talk to a local attorney about. Like I can't, if you, this is, I'm answering your question as if you were in New York under New York law. I do not know the laws of Florida, nor can I speak to the state laws of Florida legally, unless they pen through the EEOC, the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. So, if you were in New York, or if you're having a conversation with a Florida attorney, some things to talk about might be, should I have my mother provide me an amended power of attorney? Should I have my mother give a sworn statement saying that she asked me to do this and directed me to do this? If you may want to provide a video of your mother or your mother as a witness, right? Those are important things that could be used to exonerate you. I think that with those things, the employer could view this as a harmless situation, just a mistake, worthy perhaps of a write-up, but not a termination. But if you do nothing, I think there's a decent chance you're getting terminated here. and I just don't want to see that for you. So consider talking to a local attorney and to see if those steps would be a good idea where you are. And I hope this helps. And just if things start to heat up with the employer, you don't hire a criminal attorney right away, but get one that you want to work with on deck. It's good to have a criminal attorney in your life. People always say, "Why would I need a criminal attorney? I don't break the law." Yeah, that's not really how the law works. Everyone breaks the law. That the government makes so many laws that you will always have broken a law. Like you can't operate a car without breaking the law. There's no way, and that is the case because they want to be able to pull you over whenever they feel like it, right? So, I know you didn't break any laws here. I know everything you did was innocent. I'm just saying it's good to have a criminal attorney on deck in life in general. And here it would be nice to have one that you could bounce a few questions off if the bank feels the need to report you or something like that. Okay? I'm sorry you have to deal with this. I know you're just doing your mom a solid. It's hard. It's hard for the bank too because they're looking at it like you broke the rules. It looks like there's some optics here that are kind of not great. And I get where they're coming from. I don't think they're bad guys in this, bad men and women. I just think it's a tough situation, and some mistakes were made. Good luck. I hope this helps you. If it did help you, consider liking and subscribing. It helps me to help more people just like you.